What's up, guys? ECU team here with you, and here we have a Mercedes, I think this is a C-Class. Customer has a problem with the ESL. This is the whole column assembly, steering column assembly pulled out of the car. Some people have trouble getting the ESL out. If you want to get an emulator done through us, which replaces the ESL, and the ESL happens to be stuck inside the lock position, you can see there that the steering wheel won't turn because it's stuck. Even if you take this nut off, this bolt won't pull through until this thing is unlocked. So we need to get this off of the column, which we can do. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I realize this is out of the car, and this would be upside down. But this will give you a great view on how to do it. When you get an emulator service done, you do need to ship us your EIS and your key as well, so that we can program the emulator together so that it works. So if your ESL is stuck in the lock position, this is a good video for you on how to get it out. So let's go ahead and get this going here. A good view. What you're going to need is a drill with a step bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole right here to access the gear that's in there that pulls the lock free. I showed this in another video, but this is good to show that's it's stuck on the column. And you can't get it off until you release this lock inside. So instead of trying to take this thing apart, there's actually an easy way. If you just drill right here, you can pick at the gear and pull it free, and then take the nut off, and this thing will hold. This thing will come right out. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. I will mention that the gear inside here is plastic, so don't go too hard with the drill. Just enough to break the metal and access that gear. You don't obviously want to go into the, you don't want to drill into the plastic gear and destroy it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. You want to go right about, here. Okay, so with the pick tool, what you're going to want to do is you're going to turn this gear that's inside here. You want to turn it towards the connector, so in this direction. So basically from this angle of view, it's a clockwise direction. Depending on how it's in the car, obviously it's probably going to be different. But you want to go towards the connector there. That pulls the pin free. So there we go. As you can see, now the steering wheel is completely free. All we gotta do is take this nut off, and this thing will pull right out. All right, so now once again, we're just gonna loosen this nut. All the way. Close. We gotta turn the gear some more. So let's keep going.
Maybe.
There it is. And it's out. So when you want an emulator, we need these three things at ECU team. We need the EIS, okay, electronic ignition switch. We need your original key, and we need the ESL, electronic steering lock. Okay, and there's the pin we were talking about right there. So when you turn this, pulls this pin down, which allows this to spin. Also, it allows this pin to drop out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give us a call, ECU team. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys next time.